Hey everyone, so this is Harsh, and in this video, I'm going to show you how you can basically create any sort of n8n workflow that you can think of, that you can imagine with just one click of a button, and then you can import that workflow into your n8n dashboard, right? So again, how all of this is going to work and what exactly we are going to use to create an n8n workflow just from the text, just from the prompt that you will be giving to this particular AI tool. So if you want to know, if you are excited to learn about that, watch this video entirely so that you can have a brief idea on like how to exactly do that, and then you can, by just doing that, you can create any workflow that you can basically imagine, right? So without wasting any more time, let's get straight into the video. So basically, this is the workflow that right now you're seeing on your screen, which I haven't created basically, by the way. So this workflow has been created by the AI, and I've just imported the JSON code into n8n, and this is something that I'm able to see with that code that has been given by this AI that I've used to generate the workflow for this n8n dashboard, right? So basically, which particular AI or LLM tool that I have used. So again, the tool that I've used is this particular tool called Claude AI, right? And then I have just given this particular instruction to this Claude, to this LLM, and this has generated this particular code that right now you're seeing on your screen, on the right hand of the screen. And this is the JSON code that you can basically download, and then you can directly import this code to your n8n workflow, and voila, you have your workflow ready in your n8n. You just need to basically do a basic setup in your n8n into by integrating a different application that has been used in the workflow, right? So again, now how to do it? So basically, this is this prompt I have been like basically. So this particular prompt has been written, not again written by me. I have like used ChatGPT to write this particular prompt, and then I use that prompt in Claude.ai. You can basically do the same. Let me show you how you can do that. So for that, first open ChatGPT, and now here what we can do basically, if you have any sort of idea of like what exactly what workflow you want to create, you can basically see, hey, generate and prompt to create an n8n workflow that, for example, that automate the ClickUp CRM with webhooks and triggers. Here I want to automate. Again, you have to basically give it give this LLM's context so that you can get the exact workflow that you need, right? Automate following leads the call, then leads data updated in column ClickUp as call, right? If call is rescheduled, and the status to reschedule, right? Let's say for example, if new lead has booked a demo, then it must add that to my ClickUp CRM. Again, if you really want to be more specific, you can just give it a exact space or name, and then it will basically fetch that for you. But again, for this video purpose, I'm just giving it this much of information, and I just want to see if it can create a workflow around this, right? So yeah, now ChatGPT will do its magic and then generate the exact prompt for us to plug that prompt into the Claude.ai, and from there onwards, we'll see the magic will happen, right? So again, this is the prompt basically. Yeah. So again, now what we can do, we can just copy this particular prompt, and we can basically, let's take a new chat and just paste this prompt, and then just glance this prompt once so that we make sure that there is nothing extra or additional that has been added to this, because sometimes ChatGPT basically hallucinate a lot, right? And in that process, they actually added some additional things which we don't need, right? So it is always a good practice to glance it once so that we have exactly what we want. So again, webhook integration. Yep. ClickUp integration. Yep. This is what something that we need. List or folder configuration. Yes. Data mapping and all. Okay. I think this looks okay to me as of now. And now let's see what sort of a JSON code we'll get and what sort of outcome it will look like, right? So now press enter. And voila, now Claude AI will basically start its magic, and you will see some sort of a code will be generated in the right side of the screen, which Claude.ai called it artifact, right? So basically in the artifact, all the code that you are requesting will be written. So this is the JSON code. So basically right now I pause my video, and once the code writing will be finished, I'll again resume this video. Now I think code is almost about to finish. So let me drink some water. Right. So now I think let's wait for a couple of more minutes for it to be complete. And yeah, so I think as you can see, yeah, the code has been finished. And now what we can do is basically click on this arrow icon, down arrow icon, and then you can download this as a JSON. And it has downloaded. So now what we can do basically will delete this completely, save it, and now we'll import from the file. And I think yeah, this is the one that we have just downloaded. So double click on it, and as you can see, the code, the node has been all the nodes has been set up automatically. Now what we just need to connect our account with this particular node, because we haven't connected anything with it yet, right? So we just need to connect ClickUp with it. So for example, let's say, because I'm using self-hosted, so you cannot see the sign in with ClickUp option here. But let's say if you are using the cloud version, you can easily click on that sign up with ClickUp button, and then you can easily connect your ClickUp account. But for in my case, I need to basically either give them access token or like auth access or auth 2, right, which is client ID and client secret, which I can easily get from the ClickUp, and I already know how to do that. But again basically the main purpose of this video is to show you that how powerful this Claude AI can be. It can easily generate any sort of workflow that you want, right? Again, one more thing, if you are on a paid version of Claude, you can do much more than this, right? So in paid version, you can connect the MCP of n8n, and now based on that MCP, n8n will basically gives you exact node in that workflow that you need. So basically, Claude will generate the exact JSON file that you need, that you can easily configure, right? So again, that is the power of Claude AI, and this is how you can basically generate any sort of a workflow that you want. So for example, this is the condition and this is the event webhook, right? So first step in ClickUp, we need to set up this webhook, and then whenever there's an event trigger in the ClickUp, this particular workflow will trigger, and then it will check if the call is booked. If yes, it will search for existing lead. If lead exists, it will basically create a new lead task, or if not, if that it will basically then update the existing lead status, right? So I think the workflow is pretty much fine. I just need to connect the ClickUp, and then I just need to tweak some basic things, and then yeah, this workflow will ready to go live. So yeah, that is what I just wanted to show you in this particular video, and I hope you like this video, and I hope basically you gain some knowledge around n8n, and you gain some sort of a tips and tricks around n8n. And if you find this video really helpful, like this video, share this video, and subscribe to this particular channel, because on this channel I'm going to bring such knowledgeable and valuable videos, and going forward you will see more such videos that will basically help you to make money. And again, you can basically sell these sort of things to your customers, and in upcoming videos basically I'm going to show you how you can basically sell these automations to your clients very easily, and we're also going to do some live challenges on how you can basically sell, and how actually I acquire my first customer live in front of you basically. So yeah, there's some exciting content lined up on this channel, so you make sure that you subscribe to this channel, so that you can you don't miss any sort of those updates from this channel. So yeah, again, thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you in another video. Till then, bye bye, take care.